Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel, and today another Fujifilm film simulation recipe. This one is a follow-up to my last video on the Fuji recipe, which is for the Kodak Portra 400. Now this recipe is for Portra 800. Portra 800 was introduced by Kodak in 1998, and it's basically what it is 800 is ISO 800, and it's a higher ISO color film made for obviously Portra. It was made for portraits. So I'm just going to jump right into the menu system, show you how to set this up. I haven't had a chance to actually take any sample pictures of this one yet. I'm just going to load this in as of right now, and then I'll take some samples when I'm out next taking pictures. And if I get anything good, as always, I will share them on my Instagram, and I will hashtag them with what the film simulation recipe that I am using is. I've got a few more videos on the channel with some different film recipes I'm kind of working through. I posted a video, I'll link it above. I posted a video of the Fuji Weekly, all of the 21 film simulations. I did it all in one video, so you can go back and check that out, pause it where you want to add in and look at what the different film simulations are. You can add them to your camera so you can try the different ones. Basically what I'm going to be doing is filming a video for each one. If there's something in particular you want to see, leave me a comment down below, but I'm just trying them all out. As I get some good pictures, I will share them, like I said, in my Instagram, and hopefully you will share some of your favorite film simulation recipes as well. I've had quite a few comments from these videos, so I'm glad you enjoy them. Let's jump into the menu. Okay, here we are in the Fuji X-T4. This is the still menu setting, just turning the camera on, and we're going to set up the Kodak Portra 800. We'll hit the menu OK button, bring us into the IQ settings, image quality, and what we want to do is, I like to go down here first, is go down to the third page, and we want to edit, save, custom settings. Let's choose a new one. I've got a few saved here. Let's do custom 4. We'll make this one the Portra 800. Hit OK, and we want to go edit. Now, what we can do now here is go through our menu system and set up our film simulation recipe. So first thing first, we'll make sure we're in the film simulation. This is classic chrome. That's the one we want to be in. So we'll hit menu OK. And then let's just go down here. We're gonna, I like to kind of do it in order. So grain effect, we want to do strong, push over and large, and then hit OK. Go down to the next one, color chrome effect. This one we're going to set to strong, and then go down, color chrome effects blue. We want this to be weak. And now let's go second page. White balance is, we want to go out of auto, and we go to the K setting here. This is kind of 10,000 Kelvin. What we have to do is use the control wheel on the top. If you look on the top right hand side of the screen, you can see the values dropping down. We want to get this down to 5200. Takes a little bit to go through. There's probably a faster way, but this is the easiest way I found. I find if you adjust the buttons on the bottom with the menu, it just kind of screws things up a bit more. So we just got to go through. Takes a few seconds to go down, and we'll bring it all the way down. Whoops. Go back. If anybody knows a quicker way and simpler way to do this, I just couldn't figure out the menu buttons properly. It kept resetting for me, so I find it just works best to turn the dial wheel. And going into the middle of the scale, obviously there's no quick way to do it. 774, we want to get it down to 5200. Oops. If you do push that button in, it will take you to the next section. And we're almost there. $62. So we just got to go down to 5200. As you get lower in the scale, the numbers go down slower. And we're almost there. 5200. There we go. We hit OK. Now we're going to go to the white balance shift. We want to go red 1 and blue -5, so down 5, and hit OK to set. Now we're set. Let's go down dynamic range. We want to do 400%, hit menu OK. And the tone curve, these are the highlights and the shadows, so we'll hit menu OK. The highlights we want to do is +1, and the shadows we are leaving at 0. Hit menu OK. And now color, we want to do +3. Sharpening, we want to do -2. Noise reduction, we want to go to -4. There we go. And clarity, we want to have as well -4, and hit OK. What I do notice with clarity is it will slow it takes a bit of the processor time from your camera. So when you're taking a picture, it will take a bit longer to process the JPEG image. And that is it. We are in page, we are finished. We want to hit basically back to exit. And now it's going to ask us to save this custom setting. And obviously we want to save it in custom set 4, push up and menu OK. And there we are, we've saved our Kodak Portra 800 in our custom setting 4. We can access that. Now it is selected. We can also select our custom setting in the menu. Custom setting 4 right there. We can also edit and save if we want to make any changes to it. We can go back down to 4, and we can actually right here is add our custom name so we can remember what we are actually shooting. And we'll do Portra. R-T-R-A Portra, and we will do 800 so we remember that we're shooting 800. And then you have to go down back up to the set, hit OK, and there we go. Portra 800, Portra 400, got the other one saved. Go back to shoot. If you're interested in more Fujifilm simulations, like I said, you can check out my video, which is 21 different film simulations courtesy of Fuji Weekly. Thanks for watching, everybody.